Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with 2A Direct. Today I have the Hytera BD612i 2A radio. This is what it comes with. It comes with the radio, the battery, the antenna, the belt clip, the wrist strap, the charger, and the power cord. So let's build this. So first we have the radio and the battery. To insert the battery, you want to insert it at an angle and then press down on the bottom until you hear a click. Then for the antenna, this goes at the top of the radio in the middle, and you'll want to screw this in at a clockwise direction, and you want it to be tight but not too tight. If you want to add your belt clip, the screws are already installed on the radio, so you'll have to unscrew those with the washer and add your belt clip. The wrist strap, there's a portion on the back where you can insert your wrist strap. So I typically go from the bottom up, and then you pull the long part through the smaller loop, just like this. For the charger, it has the port in the back where you can plug in the power cord. And something that's actually really great about this, you can actually charge spare batteries while you have another radio with a different battery. Let me show you an example. I'm going to remove the battery, and you can see here the battery has slots, and you want to line up those slots with the slots on the charger, and this would charge your spare battery. Likewise, if you wanted to just have one battery, you can line up the same slots with the charger, and this is good to go. Just make sure to turn off your radio before charging it. This will really save your battery life. To check out the BD612i 2A radio or other Hytera radios, visit our website at 2adirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys.